Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can propose royal marriage in Europa Universalis 5. So just go straight to the diplomacy, go to the friendly actions and click on propose royal marriage right here, and you can select a character to marry, and right here I have Lady Elizabeth because I'm right now a king of Kingdom of England. And basically, if I select it, I need to select a country right now, but there are no countries possible to select for this. So maybe you will have other options to select, but for now I don't have any. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can do and arrange a royal marriage with. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.